Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything about finance, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important topics that everyone should know about: how money works. Money is something that is used by almost everyone on this planet, yet very few people truly understand how it works. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of money, the history of money, and how money is used in today's world. Part 1: The basics of money. To start, let's understand what money is. Simply put, money is a medium of exchange that is accepted as payment for goods and services. It comes in many different forms such as cash, coins, digital currency, and so on. One of the most important things to know about money is that it has value because we believe it does. In other words, money is not inherently valuable, but it becomes valuable because we all agree to use it as a means of exchange. Part 2: The history of money. Now let's take a quick look at the history of money. The concept of money has been around for thousands of years, with the first forms of currency being things like seashells, cattle, and even salt. Over time, people began to use metals such as gold and silver as a form of currency because they were rare, durable, and easily divisible. Eventually, paper money was introduced, and today we have digital currencies like Bitcoin. Part 3: How money is used in today's world. Finally, let's talk about how money is used in today's world. Money is used for everything from buying groceries to paying bills, but it also plays a larger role in the economy as a whole. Central banks around the world control the supply of money in an economy, which can have a significant impact on things like inflation and interest rates. It's also important to understand how investments work, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which can help grow your wealth over time. Conclusion. In conclusion, money is something that is used every day by almost everyone, but very few people truly understand how it works. We hope that this video has given you a basic understanding of money, its history, and how it is used in today's world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. Thank you for watching.